Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Noise XFit 1 fitness tracker. On the front of the box, we have an image of the fitness tracker itself. The Noise branding is on top. We can also see it is by the brand HRX. The model name is on the bottom. The left hand side of the package simply has the slogan, "Listen to the noise within." The right hand side has some design awards symbols. There's nothing on the top, nor is there anything on the bottom. On the back, we have a few of the salient features, which include a 1.52-inch IPS LCD display, a resolution of 360 by 400 pixels. That's the resolution of the display. It also has heart rate monitoring and blood oxygen monitoring. It can also monitor the stress. It has 15 sport modes. It is IPX68 waterproof. It has a call and SMS functionality, notification functionality that is, and it also has the functionality for quick replies. Lastly, it has a 7-day battery life. On the bottom, we have a QR code that will lead you to the Noise Fit app. That is the app that comes with this watch and can help you monitor various aspects of your health. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. On the inside, we have a sticker which has some of the importing and manufacturing information along with the information for the customer care. We also have the BIS certification symbol. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of a user manual. This should help you with connecting the watch to a smartphone and also understand the various functions and features. We recommend that you read through this thoroughly before you start using the device. We also get a warranty registration card that has a QR code which will help you register for the warranty, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. On the back of the warranty card, we have a little thank you note from the brand. Lastly, in terms of the reading material, we have a few stickers. These are quite funky and you can put them up wherever you like. We also get the charging cable. It has a USB Type A interface on one end and the magnetic charging pins on the other. The two pins in the middle are what charge the device, and the two silver bits on either end are the magnets that clasp it into place on the back of the watch. The whole thing is approximately 24 inches long. Coming to the watch itself, we can see that it has a protective plastic film on the front, which we can remove now. And that reveals the display of the watch and the underside of the watch. As you can see, it has a black and red color theme going for it, with it being predominantly black in color, and there is some red highlight right in running through the middle of the strap. There is also some red on the inside of the strap. The strap itself is quite soft and flexible, and the buckle is pretty simple and elegant. It also has some noise branding over here and some HRX branding over here. The straps are also removable in case you want to try out a different look. We can remove it with this metal bit on the inside. The underside also reveals some noise branding on the top. In the middle, on the right hand side, we have the optical heart rate sensor, and on the left hand side, we have the blood oxygen sensor. Here we also see that it has a 180 mAh battery in the watch. Right at the bottom, we have the two connecting points for the charging. That's where this bit is attached. It is magnetic, so it can only be put a certain way. And as you can see right now, it is not going to stick. Turning it around will make it pop in place pretty easily. On the right hand side, that is, we have a multi-function button. This can help you turn the device on or off and also help you with navigating through the menu. So let's see that in action now. As you can see, it tells you to download and pair with a smartphone or a device. And let's do that now. Now that we have paired the device with an Android smartphone via the Noise Fit app, we can see the watch face itself, and we can also navigate through the interface of the watch. On the app, we can get a few more details about things like the distance traveled, steps taken in the day, calories burnt, sleep hours, heart rate, stress count, and blood oxygen levels. Currently on the app, there is no data since we have just connected it. But the more you use the watch, the more information will be on the app. So, this was the unboxing of the Noise XFit 1 fitness tracker. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.